Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of Strava. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Strava and we click. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store and then we'll update your app to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.